Hello from Slovenia again. I still have an obsession with those Amsterdam pearl paints. I have pearl blue, pearl violet, pearl red, pearl green and pearl yellow. And those paints are so amazing to work with because you don't see the whole beauty. You have to come check every few hours to see the magic happens. So I have 16 by 16 inch canvas that I already painted with Paints Gray by Lucas. I will do a strainer pour with split cup. So those are my paints, my Paints Gray from Lucas. This is the consistency for the split cup. So I will start right here with some, just a second, pearl green. And pearl yellow, and I'm using 6-chamber split cup from paintpushstore.com, and this is red, that was blue, and this is red, pearl red. You have a discount code for Paint Push Store too, if you want to play with. No, here is blue, red, yellow, no, green, yellow, red, blue, violet is the order. And some Paints Gray here. Hope that it will be enough. And now I will thin down my Paints Gray to have a flow extender. Just can be thin, you know. And because I already painted my canvas, it should cover it nicely. Just hope that I have enough paint. I'm working on 16 by 16 inch really deep edged canvas again. You know, this deep. Obviously my other camera didn't work till now, so sorry for this angle, but obviously something went wrong, so I will pour a puddle here in the middle. And I will spin it right now and then again. And even though that I kind of mark the center, it's not in the center, but I like it. And now carefully it wasn't careful enough. Here is a close-up of the dry result. And oh my God, I can already imagine what I will see when magic will happen. Because all of this that it's white right now, it will be our pearl colors. And here they will shine through in some places, I think, because I can already kind of see in some places what will happen. So stay tuned. Oh, and I like that some sides are totally covered and some are like, you know, with some drips over, because probably it will dry like that, but I like it. See? So, and I'm glad that I kept this little negative space here. So, can't wait to see it dry. So, here is my abalone strainer pour with pearls. It's all dry, and now you can see all the colors. You can see blue, the purple, and because I call it an abalone one, because this part here is like under the abalone shell with all those pearls. It is a little different that I expected, but still beautiful. So this was the magic with Amsterdam pearl paints and strainer and the split cup. See you on the next one. Bye.